What's going on, fellas? All right, so today we're going to be looking at the natural bridge. It's a beautiful waterfall. It's in the Springbrook Mountains on the Gold Coast of Australia, like the border of New South Wales and Queensland. But yeah, there's quite a bit of shit to see over here actually. A lot of like baby kangaroos jumping around and shit, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're at the natural bridge. Here's just a quick look at the top. It's not actually the inside yet. We're gonna be down there, so but this is awesome already. All that stuff to see. All right, guys, so we're at the lower part of this. Check out this little bit of scenery. This is awesome, man. You're actually not allowed to go swimming or anything in these waters. Like most places have rock holes or something you can jump in, swim. Water's nice and clean, clear, crystal clear. But this has like bent wing bats and glowworms, so it's actually really illegal. I think you'll make the species aggressive or change their behavior or something, but all right, let's keep on. All right, guys, so we are at the actual waterfall now. Man, yeah, that is awesome. Let's go take a better look at it up here. See all the bats. There's all kinds of bats back there just flying around everywhere. Probably gonna get attacked. But this is awesome though. Alright, let's fall back on the trail. Alright, guys, so check out the waterfall and all that stuff in the cave. Now we're just back on top of it, actually looking down into it again. So it's pretty nice. I might end up coming back here, doing the night tour to actually see the glowworms. So that'll be pretty cool. But I think that's all really to see at the natural bridge. So probably gonna go check some more stuff out today. So let's finish this trail back to the vehicle and I'll get back with you guys. All right. All right, guys, so there was the natural bridge, waterfall, and cave foundation. So maybe let me know some places you guys want to see from the Brisbane area, or maybe a few hours away. I'm willing to travel, see some good stuff, shoot some good content. So but anyways, hope you liked the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that bell notification, that way you see everything I get to. But all right, I'm gonna end this video here. So thanks, guys, take it easy.